Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing how I achieve my high puff. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, keep watching. So right here I'm just spraying the perimeter of my hair with water. This is an old wash and go, just trying to stretch it out a little bit before wash day. I usually wash or co-wash my hair once a week and deep condition. It's very important to get your natural hair into a routine. Right here I'm just going in with the Aussie Moist Conditioner. This is a holy grail product for me. I use this as a leave-in for some of my wash and goes and twist outs and braid outs. It has a lot of slip, that's why I like it. And now I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel around the perimeter of my hair, and I do apply this pretty generously. This is another holy grail product just because it works well with my hair. It lays it down pretty good, and I like that it has olive oil in it. And then I just brush that through evenly. And right here I just take a really stretchy string. This is actually from some Nike pants, and then I tie it in the front, and I also start to push it up in the back just to get it as tight as possible and as comfortable as possible. So this method doesn't leave my head hurting, so that's why I like to do it this way. And then I just pin the strings in the back with bobby pins. And right here, I just go back in with the Aussie Moist just to define my curls a little bit better. And then I also go back in with the Eco Styler gel and kind of do the shingling method. And for the sake of time, I just do a few curls. of course, for just a little extra height, I go in with my pick. And now for the fun part, my baby hairs. I just spray the perimeter again, and then I apply a little bit of conditioner on my edges. And then I just go in with my toothbrush and brush some of my hairs down in the way that they naturally go. And then I brush them down with the Eco Styler gel. And then I set them with the olive oil edge control. This is another Holy Grail product. And then I tie my scarf around my edges just to further set my hair and lay it down. And I let it stay on for about 10-15 minutes. Sometimes I do it while I apply my makeup or lipstick. And now I just wait. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. Subscribe so that you don't miss what I have coming next, and see you guys next time.
Hey, let's do it. Let's get it. Yeah, VVS is in my piece. Yeah, we get money every week. Yeah, promise I don't lose sleep. Yeah.